number 110 header file in C language. So let's look at header file. So in the previous video we have talked about the fseek, ftl and rewind function under the file handling. Now in this video we are going to learn about the header file used in C language. So let's look at it. So header file are those files which contain collection of file units. Okay. So and that file is used in the head of any program. So we will use these all header file above the main function. Okay. Or we can say in the head program. Okay. So this is the header file has been classified into so many types. These are ctype.h, these are math.h, these are studio.h, these are studiolib.h, these are string.h, time.h. Okay. So we will learn what ctype, math, studio, studiolib, string and time header file one by one. So let's look at it. ctype.h header file. So ctype.h header file actually is used for character testing and conversion function. Okay. So if I told you about the thing, about the mechanism, about the working principle of the C type, it means that it is used for character testing and conversion function. That's clear. The for work of the ctype.h is for character testing and conversion function, converging the function. Okay. Now let's look at the syntax, how to declare. So syntax is clear. Hashtag include. You need to specify hashtag include. It means you are including this file in your program. So hashtag include ctype.h. This is the syntax of C types. Now math.h header file. So it simply means math.h header files is used for mathematical functions, and mathematical functions can be cos theta, tan theta. Okay. It can be summation, it can be product, it can be multiplication. So these are the, we can say, the mathematical functions that is going to help you for the calculation purpose in C language. Okay. So you need to slice hashtag include math.h. You can see the syntax here. You need to initialize hashtag include math.h for mathematical function in your program. Okay. Studio.h header file. This is also a header file and its work is for standard input output library function. So it contains collection of the standard input output library function in it. Okay. And the syntax is so clear that you need to specify hashtag include studio.h. And studio stands for standard input output header file. So it contains collection of the standard input output library files in it. Okay. After this, studiolib.h header file. So studiolib.h header file is the header file whose work is to utility the functions such as string conversion routines, memory allocation routines and random number generators, etc. etc. So this is also the header file which help us to convert the strings, memory allocation routines and random number generators. Okay. Now look at the syntax of it. So here is the syntax which is telling us that hashtag include, you need to specify hashtag include in studiolib.h. So this is how you can use the studio.lib.h header file in your program for utility function like such as we can say string conversion routine, for memory allocation routines and for random number generators. Okay. Now string.h header file. It helps you for string manipulation. Therefore we will use string.h header file. So string manipulation function we called it. We called it as a string manipulation function because it contains all the collection of the file that is going to help you in string manipulation. Okay. So this is an example of string.h. In that, strlen function, which is an inbuilt function, is there in the string manipulation function. So whatever you have learned in the string manipulation, that all files is going to be carried in the string.h header file. Okay. And the syntax is clear that you need to specify here hashtag include string.h. After this, I am moving forward for the time.h header file. So let's look at the work of it. Time.h header file. It's used for time manipulation function. Time manipulation function in C language. And its syntax is so clear that you need to specify hashtag include time.h. So I can say this was all about the header files that I have discussed in C language. So thanks for watching. धन्यवाद.